Hello everyone, I am Harshada Amritkar. So friends, today we are going to learn trigonometry. It's the most important chapter in mathematics. The name itself, trigonometry, explains us many things like trio means 3, gona means sides, and metry means measurement. Three sides measurement. It means the measurement of a polygon having three sides, and we know that the three sides polygon is nothing but triangle, So basically what we study in trigonometry, suppose I am standing here and this is building, school building, both are on the ground, and I take a laser and I put it here on my ear and I see the top of building. Then my eyes makes an angle, some angle with the top of building. Suppose that angle is 60 degree and I am 10 meter away from the building. My height is 1 meter, then this height is also 1 meter. By using this information, I can find the height of the school building by using the trigonometry. So basically, trigonometry helps us that to find the relation between the angle and sides of the triangle. So for this relation, we can use the trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratios. First ratio is sine of angle A. For this trigonometric ratio, I draw a triangle ABC. And here I am talking about angle A. Here we can see that angle A is an acute angle. That is, here we can see the trigonometric ratios of acute angle. Trigonometric ratios of acute angle. What is the acute angle? Acute angle is the angle between 0 and 90 degree. We know that. Okay. Then first trigonometric ratio is sine of angle A. Shortly we can write it as sine A. Is not a product, it's a abbreviation and represented as sine A. Okay, here we consider angle A is theta. You consider is x, y, z, whatever you want. I consider here angle theta, a Greek letter theta, and angle C is phi. Okay, so here we can write it as sine of theta because angle A is theta. So we can talk about angle A. We can see that side BC, the side exactly in front of the angle A, is the perpendicular for angle A, and side AB is the base for angle theta. For angle theta. And angle B is right angle triangle. The side in front of right angle triangle is always hypotenuse. So by using this information, we can write it here as sine theta is always a perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is represented by P. Base is represented by B, capital B, and hypotenuse is represented by capital H. Okay, so we get sine theta is equal to P upon H. Now, second trigonometric ratio is cosine of angle A is equal, we can write it as shortly cos of A. which is equal to cos theta, and cos theta is always base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. Now third trigonometric ratio is tangent of angle A. Tangent of angle A, which is equal to, shortly we can write it as tan A, which is equal to tan theta, and tan theta is always written as perpendicular upon base. So we get three trigonometric ratios, sin, cos and tan. ठीक है.